Hey guys, so a few days ago we were cutting the door to our smoker and we had this extra piece of metal left over, and what I was planning on doing was plasma cutting my name, and I thought that would be a pretty cool piece of art to do. So I have the end part of my name and I was gonna cut that first and then we'll go from there. So I'm gonna start cutting my name. I have the plasma torch all set up and I'm just gonna start cutting. Okay, so I just finished cutting and this is how it looks right now. Got my name in it, and I also have these leftover letters, so I can probably do something cool with these. What I think I'm gonna do next is I'm probably gonna weld around it just to kind of give it a frame. So I'm gonna get the welding machine out and I'll check back then. Okay, so I've got the welding equipment hooked up and I'm gonna run a couple practice beads and then I'm gonna start welding the frame. I just finished welding the frame, so now all I have to do is just polish it all up and I'll check back after that. Okay, so I just finished polishing and this is the final product.